Mom. Has a good afternoon. How are you today? I hope all is good. I want to introducing myself. My name is Rosmi. I am 44 years old. I'm married, I'm Muslim, and I have two kids, boy and girls. When I go to work, my kids stay with my parents and my husband. That is no problem. And then I'm looking forward now to be housekeeping. To be housekeeping, I can do clean the house, like sweep the floor, mopping, laundering, ironing, cooking, grocery, and all of the works. My experience to be housekeeping from 2004 to 2008 in Saudi Arabia, also look after the kids, all age, and clean the house. 2008 until 2020 in Singapore, also look after the kids, and then also Akong Ama, also clean the house and cooking. That is all about me. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.